Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about which chapter? We were talking about singular and plural, and I told you in yesterday's period only I told you we are meeting after 4 days. So you have to keep in mind that which chapter we were talking about or which chapter we were learning or what we were learning. You should not forget it, okay? Because now gap is of 4 days. 4 days. Then again Marathi and EVS is there, then again maths and English is there, so don't get confused. Till yesterday we were studying about some rules, and after some rules we studied some questions, correct? Which are those questions? Fill in the blanks. Fill the blanks with the correct plurals. Singular forms are given, and instead of singular forms what we have to do? We have to write down plural form of the noun. You know it very well. Singular words means what? We singular nouns are those nouns which stands for a single person or one person, one place, one animal, one bird or one thing. They are called what? Singular. And the nouns which stand for more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, more than one bird, they are known as plurals. And in yesterday's fill in the blanks we have completed 5 sentences, and in today's fill in the blanks we are going to complete 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th sentence. After that we are going to solve something countable nouns and uncountable nouns is there, that I will explain you tomorrow, or if it is possible today only we will complete. But you know it very well what is countable nouns and what is uncountable nouns. The nouns which we can count, correct or not? I have 2 biscuits, I have 1 pair of shoes. These are countable nouns. You cannot count our what? You cannot count your hair, you cannot count milk, you cannot count sand, you cannot count salt. That is uncountable nouns that we will study further. First of all, what we are going to do is we are going to fill the blanks with the help of the words given in the bracket. What we are going to do? We are going to fill the blanks. Can you see here? Everywhere what is given, blanks are given, and we have to fill those blanks with the help of the words which are given. Now these all words which are there in the bracket. The words which are there in the bracket, they are in which form? They are in singular form. And we have to change them to what? We have to change them to plural form. When they will change to plural form, what we have to do? That plural form we have to write down in the blanks. Okay. Now the 6th point or the 6th sentence which is given in the book is, they served food on banana. Now here in bracket leaf is given at the feast. Now they means what? Many people. When many people are serving food on banana leaf, then we cannot say it leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf is what? Leaf is singular. एक झाडाचं पान. Correct? Which leaf? Banana leaf. Now one leaf and many, what will be? Many leaves. What will be many? One leaf, many leaves. So here what answer will come? Here answer which we are going to write down is leaves. Have you understood? They served food on banana leaves. कशावरती जेवण सर्व केलं? जेवण वाढणे. In Marathi we call it जेवण वाढणे. Most probably we take plates. In Marathi you call it taat. Correct? And here it is told that when there is feast, they served food on banana leaves. Many banana leaves. So answer is what? Our leaves. Now leaves are what? Plural. One leaf, many leaves. 7th one, this we have studied, I think so. It is there in your book. No, it is there in 2nd standard's book. This example, leaf, one leaf, many leaves. Second one, we must always try to increase our vocabulary by reading many. Now here in bracket book is given. When I am talking about one book, it is what? It is singular. Correct? When I talk about one book, it is what? It is singular. I am saying, students, do you know I have one book with me? I have English grammar book with me. Book. One. One is what? Singular. And when I say, students, I have 3 books with me. One grammar book is of 3rd standard, one grammar book is of 2nd standard, and one is of 1st standard. I have how many books? I have 3 books. When I say books, what it is? It is plural form. What it is? It is plural form of book. So what I am going to do here is I am going to write down plural form of book. So what is plural form of book? The plural form of book is books. BOOKS, books. Understood? Now here it is, we must always try to increase our vocabulary by reading many books. S is put over here, okay? Next one, next example which is given over here is 8th one. Our living room has 3. Now everybody's living room is having 3 or 4 what? Window. Here what is given? Window. It is visible. Can you see this sentence? Are you able to see that sentence? What is told? That window. Correct? Here it is. Our living room has 3 windows. What our living room has? Our living room has 3 windows. What answer will come here? Windows. And 2. नाउ डोर म्हटल्यानंतर काय म्हणतो आपण? एक दरवाजा आणि अनेक दरवाजे. सो 2, इट इज मोर देन 1. सो 2 इज व्हॉट? 2 इज प्लुरल. 2 doors. Have you understood? 2 doors. S is left. So our living room has 3 windows and 2 doors. S. We have to add S both places, okay? 1 window, many windows. 1 door, many doors. 9th sentence which is there in front of you is, when we changed to our new house, we moved our furniture. Now I have told in rules, there were 8 rules. In last rule it was told that there are some words, they remain same. In singular also they remain same, and in plural also they remain same. Which are those? Aircraft, COD cord, DEER deer, DEER deer. 4th one is equipment, EQUIPMENT, equipment. Furniture. Next one is ship, SHEEP, ship. Spacecraft. Then series, dozens, 100, million, billion. Such type of words do not change in singular and do not change in plural. In singular they are not changing, but mostly what we change words to form plurals. In plurals they are changing. So here furniture means everything. Everything will come in furniture. In singular form it is furniture. In plural form also it is same. What it is? It is furniture. So I am writing your answer furniture. Is it clear to you? Have you understood? When we changed to our new house, we moved our furniture. We don't have to add S. You don't have to say furnitures. No. Let it be chair, table, bench. You can say bed. Let it be anything in your house. Everything will be only furniture. Furnitures म्हणायचं नाही. सिंग्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये पण ते फर्निचरच राहतं आणि प्लुरल फॉर्ममध्ये पण ते फर्निचरच असतं. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स विच इज गिवन हिअर इज, द डॅश ऑफ 6 ट्राइब्स अटेंडेड द मीटिंग. द डॅश ऑफ 6 ट्राइब्स अटेंडेड द मीटिंग्स. द No, just a minute. I have not completed this sentence. This sentence is not completed. When we changed to our new house, we moved our furniture. We moved our furniture into two. Answer is there, and here it is lorry. I forgot to write down. Little sentence was left. I forgot to write that. Now here it is. When we changed to our new house, we moved our furniture into what? Two? Into lorries. One lorry, many lorries. Word is ending with Y. Then what we have to do? We, instead of Y, we have to write down I and add ES. So I am writing here LORRIES, lorries. Don't forget rules. If the words are ending with normal Y, that Y we have to remove instead of Y we have to write I and add ES. Got it? In the last sentence, the dash of 6 tribes attended the meeting. What is this? Chief. So chiefs, what will be answer? The chiefs of CHIEFS. The chiefs of 6 tribes attended the meeting. In this way we have completed 10 sentences. In yesterday's period I told you, you have to write down 5 sentences in English grammar notebook, and that same 5 sentences, after that leave one line and write down 6 sentences. No need of leaving line because your notebook is of 4 line. So no need of leaving line. On next line only immediately start writing 6 sentences, write down 7, then 8th, 9th and 10th. Complete all 10 sentences in your English grammar book. Have you understood? And the next question which we are going to study is, I will just read it for you today. See, here it is. Only countable nouns and collective nouns have plurals. Uncountable nouns do not have plurals. Pick out the countable nouns from the following words and write down their plurals. काउंटेबल नाउन शोधायचे आणि त्यांचे काय लिहायचे, ते नाउन्स इथे लिहायचे आणि त्याचं प्लुरल फॉर्म इथे लिहायचा आहे. दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर गोइंग टू डू in tomorrow's period. Okay, have you got it? We have completed 10 sentences. Can you see all 10 sentences? You can pause video and then write down all answers. जर तुम्हाला दिसत नसेल बोर्डवरती लिहिलेलं तर काय करायचं आहे तुम्ही, you have to pause video and then you have to write down all 10 sentences from the video. Okay, I think you have understood what is singular and plural. We will complete second question tomorrow and then we will start with new lesson. Okay, thank you for today. Bye.